How to add vanilla gift card in your Airbnb app. Let's get started. Launch your Airbnb app. You'll land to the Explore page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of Profile. Once you're on the Profile page, you will find the Settings section. Under that, you'll find the option of Payments and Payouts. Click on that option. Now navigate to the option of Payment Methods. From here, you can easily add vanilla gift card. Click on the option of Add Payment Method. Select the option Credit or Debit Card. Now go ahead and provide the details. Type in the card number, then type in the expiration date, type in the CVV, type in the zip code, select the country or region. After you provide all the details, click on Done, and just with that, your payment method will be updated. So this way you can easily add vanilla gift card in your Airbnb app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.